Want to play Roblox with just your friends in your own private space? Well, in today's video, I'll show you the step-by-step process how to let your friends join in your private server on Roblox. All you have to do is select a game you want to play with your friends, like for example, the supermarket simulator. Now, scroll down and navigate the servers. And if you don't have a server yet, just tap Create Private Server button. Then now, in this section, tap the three dots at the top right corner, then click Configure. Now, now in here, you have to enable this toggle to allow your friends to join. And also at the bottom, you have to enable this toggle also to allow your friends. You can also add your friends by adding or by searching their username and then tap Add. Now, we have to generate a server link. Just tap Generate button and you have to copy paste this link to share with your friends. Now, let's go back to private server. Now, you see the join button which allows you and your friends to play in your server. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.